Here we have the CSX F767 making its return trip here in Suffolk. 3210 now in charge. It's a brand new ET44AH, brand new Tier 4 version of the Gevo. Same crew as last time. And he will be here shortly. He just crossed milepost 18.4, and that's very close to where I am. We're just waiting for him to cross 2 more crossings before he reaches here. And he'll come in like the 136, but he should be a little bit slower because the 136 is in front. Because I predicted this pretty close. The light power is going to go work. 136 comes back, and now 67 follows him. This is perfect because it gives the 136 time to get into the port. One of my favorite container trains is the Q130 and 136 and F767. I like the Qs because you get more loads. I think I hear the crossing at on the other end. Yep, I hear it. Here comes 3210 on the S767's return trip. And just know this is a local train. Pretty horn. And he was honking at somebody. Is he running a little slow? Yeah, he's running a little bit slow. He's really laying it down with somebody. Here comes 3210, brand new Tier 4, yeah! The F767 on the return trip, all right! He gave me a nice shot out the window too. Man, just look at him go. Woo! And there goes the YN2 in the distance. (6,900 feet of train. He just called the clear to go back to the CW. So we'll watch CSX ET44AC number 3210 and CSX AC4400 CW number 491. Same power from earlier as they will take the loads back. see here, he's starting to really slow down. Bad wheels on that truck, man. On the end of this train, you should see an orange flag that indicates it's a transfer. If you see the EOTD, it's an actual train that's coming in. See there, that's the brakes, he's applying the brakes. And he's going to the Commonwealth, and the speed on the switch is 5 miles an hour, 5 to 10 miles an hour. So that prevents the train from derailing. When I got the call for the Commonwealth on my scanner, the Commonwealth local got mixed up. They thought it was over 7,000 feet of train. I think it was like 9,000. And the dispatcher said there was a miscommunication with the word. It's 6,900 feet of train. And just a lot of loads going in. He has some spine cars? Yes, he sure does. He's got some spine cars. I'll zoom in on him and let you look at them. Right there. Look at that! I don't see these an awful lot, but it's still good to see them. Look at him go! Some brake pipes. Got the shot of some of these, some of the air hoses that are linked up. You can see right under there they got an air hose because these cars are interconnected. They're laid together as one unit, and they have the air hoses connect on the side. And that's all the spine cars. That's a pretty iconic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 of them. It was 10 spine cars, and that was pretty good for this transfer. Because normally you would see these on one of the quality trains. And here comes the end of the F767 transfer. And here comes the last of the train. And here comes the last car. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Woo! He doesn't have the flag on it today. But, well, there you have it, guys. A couple pretty good trains today. You saw the F767 Light Power Edition. Then you saw the Monster Q136. And a really awesome transfer you just witnessed. This was actually a really good day, really good Saturday trackside. As you can see here, he is going into the distance. Just also want to remind you that the pictures of my rail fanning excursion from today will be on my Instagram and Facebook pages, and also Twitter. So please feel free to like those. All 3 accounts are Engineer Pat 5290. And also, please check out my YouTube. So all the videos will be posted from today, and hopefully in the next few days we'll probably catch some more trains. So anyway, that concludes today. This is Engineer Pat, and I will see you next time.